It's lunchtime. Stella and her friends want to grab their favorite seats. Oops, poor Stella. She has dropped her lunch. What will she eat now? Oh, good. She has nothing to worry about. Her friends are more than happy to share their lunch with her. Jojo has brought sandwiches. There are 4 pieces. Stella takes 1 piece. So we say 4 take away 1. Taking away objects from a group is called subtraction. The subtraction sentence is written as 4 minus 1.
This is a minus sign.
While writing a subtraction sentence, we always write the number we start with first, and then write the number that is taken away. How many are left when 1 is taken away from 4? Let's count the number of pieces left in Jojo's box. 1, 2, and 3. He has 3 pieces left with him. So, 4 take away 1 leaves 3. Jack wants to share his cookies with
Stella.
There are 6 cookies in his box.
Stella
Takes 2 cookies. 6 take away 2 is written as 6 minus 2. How many are left after 2 are taken away from 6? 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are 4 cookies left with Jack. So, 6 take away 2 leaves 4.
Sonia wants to share strawberries with Stella.
There are 9 strawberries in all. Stella takes 3 from the 9 strawberries. 9 take away 3 is written as 9 minus 3. How many strawberries are left when 3 are taken away from 9? Let's count the strawberries left with Sonia. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 strawberries are left. So, 9 take away 3 leaves 6.
Sandy offers nuts to Stella.
There are 8 nuts altogether. But Stella is too full to eat anything, so she does not take any. Can you write a subtraction sentence when nothing is taken away? Yes, we can use 0 to show nothing. 8 take away 0 is written as 8 minus 0. What is left when 0 is subtracted from 8? 8. So, 8 take away 0 is 8. When 0 is subtracted from a number, we are left with the same number.